Welcome to Daze 2020!
Carter's, man.
You already know what it is.
Well, what's going on?
Fresh Gentleman 3 up in the house today.
Where you at today?
We over at Carter's for Daze 2022.
And can you tell everybody what you sell?
We selling the Fast 5 Pro Glow, baby. The cleanest, simplest way to get your bike shiny again.
What's going on, Mud family? You already know this is your boy, Fresh Gentleman 3. Yeah, I'm back with the live and the latest. You already know, Mud Daze 2022. It went down. The bounty hole, the Carter, everything, it went jumping this weekend. And I'm telling you, man, they did a little truck event that I kind of like, that I threw in the video too. Everybody was pretty much on a chill note, and they actually kicked it out there this weekend. Shout out to everybody who ran up and just was yelling out Fresh Gentleman 3. Yeah, I acknowledge you. And some people, you know what I mean? It's just new faces. Everybody was screaming, but thank you for the support that y'all give Fresh Gentleman 3. Because I'm going to tell you, that I bring it because of you guys and sponsors out there. You already know your boy Fresh Gentleman 3 moving right now because it's the summertime. So get with me. I'll push you, shout you out, and do whatever I got to do to get your name out there on the platform. And you know, Fast 5 Solution. Y'all know you're gonna need Fast 5 after getting that mud off your bike. So go check out them boys at Fast 5 Solution, because I'm gonna tell you, that's the #1 product going on right now. Shout out to Mark Carter as well for letting us do these events at this park, because I mean, the Mud family is growing, and without y'all, we gonna need Mark. So my thing is this: shout out to Mark and all the people who actually, that's a part of his staff and stuff. They do phenomenal work. And you know, this is your boy Fresh Gentleman 3. I can't hold you no longer, and I'm out.
Who is this guy right here? What's up, man? Gentlemen?
Where you at today?
Make sure you hit that subscribe button for Fresh Gentleman number 3 for sure.
Where you at today?
We're at Carter's Off-Road Park in Bryan, Arkansas.
And we gonna have what?
Well, I'm bound here my 401k plan, get ready to take some money back to Missouri like always. So I want to thank Mark Carter and the good people of Arkansas for helping supply my side-by-side fund again this year. So thank you so much.
All right, well, it's good to see you today,
good seeing you, buddy.
All right.
Thanks, Fred.
Arkansas Off-Road Park, Daze 2022.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I gotta get the one that said, oh shoot.
I got paid.